Have you ever noticed that different generations don't always get along in the workplace? Maybe it's just small things, like little jabs at someone older or younger. Or maybe it's something larger, like constant arguments, eye rolls, and accusations aimed at one or more particular generations. Perhaps you feel as though you don't understand your team at all, at least when it comes to the other generations. The reality is, generational tension keeps your team from reaching their full potential. Misunderstandings can lead to disengagement, turnover, lost productivity, and therefore financial losses. Different generations bring different strengths, but without understanding, those strengths can turn into friction. Leaders struggle to align their teams, and talented employees walk away, sometimes after just months on the job. And all the money spent recruiting and training them, it feels like a waste, along with your time. I'm Dr. Joe Azzopardi, and I help leaders address generational challenges to build mission-driven teams. Through research-backed assessments and targeted strategies, I work with organizations to turn tension into trust and create workplaces where every generation thrives. With a PhD in well-being and intergenerational relationships, I've worked across different industries, helping businesses, nonprofits, and faith communities unlock the power of generational diversity. If you're ready to stop generational tension from costing your organization, let's talk. We'll assess the challenges, strategize solutions, and implement lasting change together. Visit unitethegenerations.org to learn more.